Last video I didn't show how to do mouse, so this is you put pin needles. First you just mark it where you want it to be. And my frog, it will be, if you count from top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is between 7 and 8, and those needles between 8 and 9. Just for your reference. I think this will be good. And now with black yarn, you insert it from somewhere on the back, right for the first pin. First you start with the pins, then you secure this line a little bit. Try to take it in and out. Whoop. And then to the next pin, I want to secure it over here. And now for the top point. Make this a little bit high to give it a smiley face. Somewhere over there. And on the other side. Let's check it out. Give one more stitch on the other side. And give maybe little nose dots. 1. And next to it and take it again at the back. Yep. And this is how I've done it. You can take a little pen and maybe give some pink cheeks. Will look cute.